ydy siarad Cymraeg yn y dosbarth. Dwi'n meddwl bod plant ac athrawon o ysgol Sant Ffransis yn siarad mwy o Cymraeg yn y dosbarth nawr. This has happened naturally in the last 3 years because the Siarad Iaith has made sure that everyone is more enthusiastic and proud to be speaking Welsh. Mae pawb yn falch iawn. Rydyn ni'n gwneud all of the success criteria. Mae pawb yn treol siarad Cymraeg, y staff a'r athrawon. Mae athrawon yn marcio yn Gymraeg, mae dyddiad yn Gymraeg, and now all the staff and pupils have high expectations. Rydyn ni'n gwneud ein gorau glas. We try our very best. Cymraeg a Dydafod. This is what we've been using to make sure that we are constantly improving our incidental Welsh. We all start off on one level. Then, once we know these sentences and are using them consistently, we move up to the next level. The sentences and phrases get harder as we move up. This year we've added Oiti and Smarty. We have these on the back of our doors and they have different Welsh phrases, such as Mana Mana Monkey, Diolch Byth, Bobl Bach, and Enjoy a Mas Draw. This helps make our language even richer. To help us learn extra sentences, we create examples for our tables. They are our tables for us to learn, and once we've learned them, we are expected to use them outside in the playground and during our work. Helpu heddiw. This year we've been lucky enough to change this. Nawr mae Captain Cymraeg a Ninjas Cymraeg gyda ni. Captain Cymraeg yn y cyfnod sylfaen a Ninjas Cymraeg yn y adran iaith. These are chosen every day and they're in charge of lots of activities throughout the day. Ond, rhaid siarad Cymraeg. Gyda gweithgareddau. They help us with lots of our activities, such as getting ready to go home, getting ready for lunch, tidying up, and do lots of drills with us. They also help us with playtime and play some Welsh games outside.
Mae hi'n amsicilio. Tachwyswch yn dal. Focus sgwariol yn y bin. Focus yn sy'n focus pencil yn y pot. Focus pencil yn y pot. Grŵp yma, da iawn. Sefwch yn dawel. A cyfeiriadau yn dawel. Yma, da iawn. Joio gyda'i gilydd a chlygau da gau. Tad, amab, ar y springlad, amen. Ydych chi'n barod? Ydyn. Grŵp yma, da iawn. Grŵp coch, bant y chi. Diolch. Diolch. Grŵp oren, bant y ci. Diolch. Diolch. Glas, bant y chi. Grŵp melyn, bant y chi. Diolch. A grŵp bant y chi. Diolch.
Paddy, Naomi, Steve, Gwenna, Cliff, Gofynaf. Sorry, dyma rhaid i di. Diolch. Dolyn y geiriau a llygad agau. In a tad, amen, our springlad, amen. Bless. Grŵp oren, sefwch mewn plenig ar y drws. Grŵp glas, sefwch ar plenig ar y drws.
We also have frames on our tables to help us with our peer assessment and self-assessment. We now do this in Welsh. Some of the sentences on them are Dwi wedi deall, I have understood, a tro nesaf rhaid I fi, next time I must. For the peer assessment there is Rwy ti wedi deall, you have understood, and tro nesaf rhaid I ti, next time you must. Dewch I weld Cymraeg yn y dosbarth gyda criw Cymraeg Cyd.
Okay, dim ond, os pen gyda partner newydd now. Yeah? Okay. Dim ond 10 seconds. Barod? Barod. Okay, siaradwch yn eich partner nawr. Beth wyt ti'n cofio?
Ysgol. Ffrindiau double F.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ysgrifennwch.
Ces i amser.
Yes and no. Yeah. Alias then.
Can you pass us that
What's an adjective? Oh.
Ces i amser.
Okay? Ydych chi wedi gorffen? Okay. Geimau arall nawr. Okay, ar ôl 3, 1, 2, 3. I bar ysgol wyt ti'n mynd? Siaradwch yn eich partner.
Dwi'n mynd i'r ysgol. Ma' ysgol oes ti mynd? Dwi'n mynd i'r ysgol Sant Ffransis ac yn athrawes i ydy Miss Mansfield. Dwi'n mynd i'r ysgol Sant Ffransis gyda'r ffrindiau o'r enw Sgala, Amelia a Lexi. Dydyn ni'n cael llawer o...
Mae'n amser gwasanaeth nawr. Taclwswch os gwelwch yma. Rhowch y pensil yn y pot os gwelwch yma. Rhowch y llwybyr ar y stel. Rhowch papur ar y carpet os gwelwch yma. Cadeiriadau o dan y bwrdd os gwelwch yma. Diolch. Nawr sefwch mewn llinell a bwys y drws os gwelwch yma.
These things have made Welsh a natural part of each classroom. Our vision is that if you walk into a classroom at Ysgol Sant Ffransis, you will hear people speaking Welsh. Top tips target 3. Top tip rhif 3. This isn't just wallpaper that stays up. We change it constantly, so we're all improving. Top tip rhif 2. Cymraeg heriol. We are still using some of our phrases which we've used in the past. To also listen some more complex sentences. We are now using these in our day-to-day life in a dosbarth. We are also teaching the younger ones this so that they can also use them when they grow up. Top tip rhif 1. Rho gynnig arni. Give it a go. We weren't brilliant a few years ago, but we've kept trying our best until we've become confident. Keep at it. Byddwch chi'n gallu siarad Cymraeg yn hyderus.